Hey guys, Zaid here from MZX Fitness. In today's video, I'll be talking
This
about...
is exactly why I tell you to wear a t-shirt while shooting.
2 hours later.
Hey guys, Zaid here from MZX Fitness. Push-ups. Push-ups are a staple exercise for building upper body strength. Push-ups primarily work your chest, and the secondary muscles that are involved are your triceps and your anterior deltoid. For some people, push-ups are easy. For some people, push-ups are very easy. Goku, buddy, how are you? How's the lockdown going? Oh, you're training at King Kai's planet. You want me to make you a workout program? Sure, man. I'll make you one and send it to you right away. For some people, push-ups are hard. And for some people, push-ups are very hard. I saw a few videos on YouTube lately explaining how absolute beginners should start with push-ups. Now, I'm not criticizing them, but as a professional fitness trainer, I do not entirely agree with the methods shown in those videos. In this video, I'll explain to you the step-by-step methods on how you can start doing push-ups. But first, let us try to understand what exactly a push-up is. So, a push-up is an exercise where you push yourself from point A to point B. During this exercise, your muscles stretch and contract, help you in performing the movement. If you're an absolute beginner, you've never worked out before, and you can't do push-ups even on your knees, then follow the methods shown in the video to start doing push-ups. I highly recommend you watch the entire video without skipping any part. Now, before you start practicing your push-ups, there are a few things you need to do few days before starting your push-up practice. And that is mobility, stretching, and strengthening. Perform these exercises every day. Doing these exercises gives your muscle an idea about the movement and which muscles to use for the movement. Once your muscles build some strength and get used to the movement, you can further on progress by adding resistance. The push-up, like other resistance exercises, has progressive versions and basic easier versions. Now, after having all these exercises performed, the first version you need to start with is the wall push away. It's just like performing a push-up against a wall. Now you need to practice this regularly for a few days, and once you feel like this is too easy for you and you can do more reps easily, then you can progress to other levels. I'll just list out all the progressive levels so that you can practice later on. Okay, after the wall push away comes the leaning wall push away. Just take a step back, lean on the wall and push away. Next is the incline kneeling push-up. You can do this on a slightly higher angle if you want. Don't round your upper back, pack your scapula, and don't arch your lower back inwards. Okay, next is the kneeling push-up. Now again, don't round your upper back, don't arch your lower back inwards, don't drop your pelvis down, keep your back straight, place your hands firmly on the ground, breathe in as you go down, and breathe out as you come up. Watch closely because I'm only going to show you this once, or you can just watch the video again. After that, you have to do incline push-ups. Now if you feel this is hard, you can take a slightly higher angle than this. And finally, you can start practicing the standard push-up. Once you've mastered the standard push-up, you can move on to the decline push-up. After decline push-ups, you can do them on a slightly higher angle. And then the handstand push-up. Now you need to have a lot of patience and do the exercises on a regular basis. Start practicing from wall pushaways and progress your way up. Please don't be hasty. Please don't say, oh, that person is of the same age as I am or younger to me, but still they're able to do push-ups and I can't do even maybe 5 push-ups or something. Stop that, alright? Please just stop that. Stop comparing yourself to others. Have a very clear goal in mind. And if you do want to compare yourself to what you were yesterday and aim towards becoming better every day. Now I'm not going to start a motivational speech here. You've watched the video, you've gained the knowledge. Now all you need to do is start practicing. But before you go practice, I just want to say, if you want to learn more about health and fitness, go to mzxfitness.com. You'll get a complete guide on fitness, training, nutrition, dieting, basically everything related to fitness. Alright, so that's it for today. I hope you liked the video and learned something from it. Go practice your push-ups. Stay home, stay safe. This is Zaid. Until next time, take care.